Covering news that matters. Fox 23 News at 9 starts right now.
An Oklahoma family is asking for help from the community and a change of heart from the Oklahoma Pardon and Parole Board and Governor Kevin Stitt as their loved one, Tremane Wood, seeks clemency from his execution that's less than 2 weeks away now. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Shay Rozzi.
And I'm Nathan Thompson. Glad you're with us. Wood was found guilty of a 2002 murder he says he did not commit, and his family says Tremane's brother did commit. Fox 23's Paris Rain joins us live after talking to the family. Paris, they had a news conference today, and they say they are running out of time.
They did. Nathan and Shay, Tremane's mom says they are in crunch time. He goes before the parole board on Wednesday and could be executed by lethal injection come November 13th if they can't get the board and the governor to understand why they believe this is wrong and unfair.
What a waste it would be. This can't be the end of my son's story.
This is Linda Wood's son, Tremane Wood, who she says is innocent of murder despite being put on death row.
They were going to do a robbery at a hotel. The girls took them to the hotel. They portrayed themselves as prostitutes. They took the guys to a hotel, and then my two sons came in. My one guy ran out of the room. The other guy, he stayed there and was fighting with my son, and my son stabbed him, my son Jake.
Tremane's older brother, Jake Wood, admitted in court to stabbing the victim during a 2002 robbery. Jake received life in prison and later died by suicide behind bars. But Tremane was sentenced to death after a 2-day trial, his mother says, without a proper defense.
My heart is broken for my son, not because of my son, but for my son. He's clearly lost 21 years of his life for something he didn't do. Did he deserve to be punished for his role in this? Absolutely, but not by death.
Even facing death, Linda says her son remains hopeful and focused on others.
I saw him yesterday, and he even 10 days out from possibly losing his life. His concern is still about others because he told me, he said, Mom, whether I live or whether I die, I want this to precipitate change. Make it better for the inmates who are up for execution on death row after me.
Tremane's mother says her son isn't asking for freedom, only fairness. Wood's family and advocate Mario Johnson say Wood's trial attorney was impaired and unprepared, and they believe that alone should qualify him for clemency.
The attorney also basically came out and said that he was on abusing alcohol and also cocaine while he was representing him, and also didn't really have the time to put in to efficiently represent him. And based on that alone, he should get clemency from the Pardon and Parole Board and the governor.
If clemency is denied, Tremane Wood's execution will move forward for November 13th. If you'd like to sign a petition or read more about this case, we have a link in this story on fox23.com. Live in the newsroom covering news that matters, I'm Paris Rain, Fox 23 News.
Oklahoma Attorney General Gettner Drummond issued a statement earlier this month urging the Pardon and Parole Board to deny Wood clemency. It reads in part, quote, "We must secure justice for this heinous murder and prevent Wood from committing additional acts of violence. Wood's actions on death row in recent years, including distributing drugs and having another inmate viciously beaten, prove that death is the only way to ensure the safety of Oklahomans."